Hey guys, Code Hard Programming here, and we're back. Well, I'm here to show you guys how to code in Java. So we're gonna start with the very basics. You're gonna need Eclipse as well as Java, of course. I'll have two links in the description, both for both of them, and a link in the description for how to install them, which is pretty simple. You just have to follow the instructions correctly. So, just when you get into Eclipse, go get those, and then come back. When you get into Eclipse, just come. There's gonna be a whatchamacallit, welcome screen, and then just close out of that. Just get package. Just come into here. Just get over here, okay? Just wait. Then Java project. Then go project name. We'll go tutorial. It's fine. Alright, so we're just going to create a new package and call this tutorial.main. This is the main package. Now go class, call this main, and check the public static void main string brackets args. You need that. Then hit finish. So you get this. So we're just going to go system.out.print line, go hello, there we go. So after that, you just run it by clicking up here, and we get hello down in the console. You can click that X. So it's pretty cool. But now you want to know about variables. Variables are very useful. Public static string name. So we're going to use a name, okay? Name variable. That's what we're going to do. Public static int final int. And then there's regular int, but final, you cannot change it. So public static final string makes it so we can't change it. And normally constant variables are in capital. 600. Then we can go, you can type this out again on the bottom line, but we're going to go height equals, most people don't really do that, but it's weird how they don't. So we're going to equals hello display. You'll see why. Okay, so we have those. And then public static final boolean visible equals true. And we want this capitalized. Visible. There we go. So now we're just going to come down here. So those are the three main variables that you have. And while we're at it, just come over here, right click on the package that we made, the tutorial.main, right click, go to new package, and instead of main, we're going to put render, so we can render stuff. So go new class, call this render class, just like that. No public static void main. So we're going to set that up in a minute. But we want to go JFrame. Oh, no R. Frame. Well, there is an R, but not capitalized. Frame equals new JFrame. Now, just gonna put name, just like that, because it takes the string parameter. Those are values. This is a parameter. Those are values that they need to take in. So we need to go frame dot set size. These take parameters too, width and height. You do not have to put variables for these. You can just put the number here and a number there. Or for this, oh yeah, and okay, and for this, two quotes and the name in there. Alright, so comments. This is a single line comment. So if we put hi there, but we put it there, we get an error. But there's these called multi-line comments. So we can go hi, 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 gibberish. Alright, those are comments. Comments. / variables / display. You'll see what this is in a minute. Or GUI, if you know. Frame.set default close operation jframe.exit _on _close. It's basically. Now we want to go frame.set visible. See right here? Visible. So we want to go. We want to put in visible. So yeah. That's basically it. If we run that bad boy, we get a display with the title, hello display. We can just close that. So now we want to come into here. Like, come right here and go render class render equals new render class. Okay? We didn't do anything in there, so just hit Control-Shift-O to import that. And now we come down here and go frame.add component. And we're gonna go render. So, nope, just go frame.add. It's gonna add the window listener, just get rid of that. And then just go render. Alright, it's just because nothing's in there. Alright, so come in here, and we need a few things. Public void paint component. This is also what's called a method. Okay, just put this. This is what's called a method, which is like a function in JavaScript. And we need to have this extends jpanel. Just like that. Control-Shift-O. Under class, just add generated. Hit OK. It's fine. Now, we just want to come down here. And that's basically all we need for this. But, if you're wondering why we made it when there's nothing is happening right now. So if we go g.set color red, and then g.fill rectangle, see, 60, 60, 60, 60. So this will make a square. Control-Shift-O to import the color, and then if we save that, and we come in here, that error is gone. Okay, and now if we run it, we get a block. So in the next tutorial, okay, let's go over what we did. So first I taught you how to make comments. Then I taught you how to system.out.println, how to set stuff out, how to print stuff out, and then I taught you about variables, which are very, very helpful. I taught you about a string, int, and remember, you do not need the final, and a boolean. So if I got rid of these finals, I could change them. So we can go down into here and go, so it's set to 600, but we can go width equals 500, and then height equals 600. So we'll change it around. And remember, as long as you have that, as long as you have a semicolon, you can put another line of code on the same line. Just saying. Very useful to keep it like that. And then if we wanted to change the name, we could go name equals, oh, and then I believe that should work. Then if we run this and changed it, see, that's what we can do. But if we have them set to final, we get a bunch of errors. See, because look, see, we cannot change them at all, so we can just get rid of these. So you do not need those, just optional. After that, we learned how to make a frame and set the size and make it so you can actually close it right and set it visible. And you can also set it so it's not resizable. Set resizable, false. So now you can't resize it. But after that, we wanted to render something. We wanted to make it so it wasn't very boring, okay? So, and wanna know what you can do? Okay, so let's render one more thing. Let's come up here. G.set color black, okay? And then we're gonna go G.fill rect at 0, 0, and then the width. We want to go main.width and main.height. That's why I put the public. That's why I put public here instead of private. Private, we made this private and made this one private. Okay, let's make those private and make this public again. If we made that private, we wouldn't be able to use these. So we need that to be public. So this is, when it's private, it only is for the class that it's in. When it's public, then it's for every class that it has. So if we run this now, hit OK, that's just saying if you wanted to save it. We now have a black screen. So that's one way to use variables in a useful way. But, so, yeah guys, if you want to see a tutorial, if you want to see more, click that like button and that subscribe button so that I can be motivated. But, other than that, if you want to see a tutorial on game development with Swift 2D, just leave a comment. And that'll get to you. So, yeah, guys, I'm out. Have fun. Use what you